As I said before, when you go onto the set, you judge how much you're going to enjoy doing the film by how long people stay after the backup. On this set, with Ajay sir leading it and Anshul directing it, and with Love and the entire gang with the creative responsibility, it was very rare to see people running off after backup. Everybody used to stay back and wait and chat, and for me, that's a sign of people enjoying themselves, and I'm very sure that people will enjoy this movie. With Ajay, huh?
In fact, you should get back to the hotel and again sit together all of us.
That is correct. He shot abroad and still, I mean, we couldn't get enough of each other. That is.
So basically, एक room काफी है यार. वो producer साहब, why do we waste money on separate rooms? हाँ, एक होटल. Alright, Maddie का support system. I feel it's paid for. I'm
Totally.
okay. Let's go to Rakul Preet. Rakul, can I call you Rakul?
Yeah,
Oh, God, say Rakul Preet.
no, actually, no.
Rakul, better chemistry किसके साथ? अजय और मीज़ान.
Now for that you have to watch the film.
नहीं
You guys have to tell me that
ये आंसर अलग आंसर है. वो आपकी आंसर है, रियलिटी के आंसर है. दोनों
But how can I say?
Ajay is looking at you right now.
The audiences have to say it, so you guys have to.
So that we know, the audience will enjoy the chemistry for sure. We saw on the trailer, it's fantastic, no question. Magar, kintu parantu, if you had to choose the chemistry between the two actors in real life,
No, I think I share a very good chemistry with both.
Miss India का आंसर आ गया.
हाँ, मतलब I think I can have a great chemistry with everyone.
Okay, love ji, I should back off ना. या और पूछो. You become awkward. Sir, हाथ ऊपर कर यार. Don't sit like this. I feel very uncomfortable.
Rakul is so pretty.
Wait. Maddie का support room है Rakul. All those for Maddie shout. Rakul.
Let me tell you, Maddie is my father in the film. So Maddie's support group or mine, it's going to be
Same
the
family,
same
family.
family. So
Yeah.
it doesn't matter.
This woman should have been a lawyer. I feel he's wasting talent. All right, let's move on. अरे बाद में love करो ना. Right now we're in the middle of conversation. My God. Rakul, who? Worst moment on set. What is the worst moment on set?
Oh, there wasn't.
Okay, best.
Huh? The backup possibly. Yeah, I think he's right. Because honestly, when the film packed up, all of us were feeling so sad that this is the last day. Oh my God, we're not going to have our chill sessions.
Prequel भी होगा.
वो तो अब यही बताएंगे.
हो जाएगा. If he stops chatting with his producer friends and comes back on stage in a minute or two. Okay, so the best moment?
Best moment, I think, the entire film, yeah, journey. I think the bond that we all have created over this film's journey is just beautiful.
Not since Priyanka Chopra have I heard such answers which are perfectly in the middle. Not off stump, all extra. Just played the ball perfectly. Well played. Well played. Let's go on to the Jeffrey boys, can I say?
That, being in the industry from such a long time, so they looked upon him and took him under their wings and actually guided them and were very, very generous in kind of giving the right inputs. So I kept out of it because फिर लगता कि नहीं बाप है तो घड़ी घड़ी interfere कर रहा है. I stayed totally out of it. Love was we had a great conversation right in the beginning. तो उन्होंने पहले ही बोल दिया भाई ठीक है तेरा बेटा है but it's fine, he's in good hands. And I just didn't want to, I just kept out. So they took care of him in the best way and I'm really, really grateful.
Honestly, he kept out. कभी कभार बाप जाग जाता था तो हम लोग रोक देते थे.
ये फिल्म की इफेक्ट बहुत स्ट्रॉन्ग है. When you come out, you start thinking like that. It's normal. So I have a question for you. TV set या film set? कहाँ पे gossip ज़्यादा है?
हर सेट पे होती है.
But if you had to choose.
हमारे सेट पे नहीं हुई because like she said we really got along very very well, so there was no chance of any gossip, unfortunately.
I wonder.
Okay. Mizan. Give me 2 minutes. I'm 54 here. अजय देवगन का इंट्रो सीन चुरा लिया. गर्लफ्रेंड भी चुराई. Little bit dangerous, I would think. What are your comments?
A little bit dangerous, but also a lot of fun. And at the end of the day, I'm just really grateful that I was given the opportunity to do that. And Ajay sir is one of the most lovely people I have ever worked with, honestly. And
Yeah, man.
genuinely, yeah, so grateful to be working with him. And they all, I'm the youngest on set, and they all came to my support. They helped me in every single scene. इवन जब मैं वो स्प्लिट कर रहा था गाड़ी पे, अजय सर came and helped me with my harness. So really grateful.
और अजय सर ने क्या कहा? How many marks did he give you?
Love you guys. Thank you so much.
You'll have to ask him. You know.
How was it, Ajay?
Very well.
Yeah.
Didn't take too long also.
एक if you don't mind एक सवाल एफडी का था तब?
नहीं actually वो जो harness था.
जावेद!
No, he just asked him to split.
Don't worry, nobody was injured in the process. Daddy said tips मिला या नहीं? How does it work, father and
ये
son?
tips नहीं, ये T series है.
Prequel man, lead role. Well played. Javed, just tell us a little bit about who are you supporting, your son or your friend, your character rather, picture में?
In character तो obviously I'm supposed to support my friend, but हमारा एक जो relationship है, some amazing kind of a love. नहीं
अजय के साथ.
because ये Ajay has like in the film, I'm supposed to be his best friend. I'm also a psychiatrist who needs a psychiatrist himself. तो वो जो relationship है दोनों के बीच में amazing chemistry. The way it's written, the lines, the way love and you know the writers have written fantastic lines of both of them, and you really enjoy it on the screen. तो इस तरह से एक relationship दिखाया जा रहा है screen पे. Nizan obviously, so you really don't know मैं इसको support कर रहा हूँ या इनको, because आप जब dialogue सुनेंगे तो उसमें काफी तीखापन है. So I think it's fabulously written script, and at least my character I totally enjoyed it.
तो जावेद ये psychiatrist की बात अगर किया इसमें तो why is the P silent in psychiatrist?
Why the P silent?
वो psychiatrist में P है पहला.
Psychiatrist. नहीं पहले psychiatrist था. अंग्रेज लोग ने चेंज कर दिया.
अच्छा. So please remember, ladies and gentlemen, psychiatrist.
हाँ, psychiatrist. Yeah.
Good to know.
That, yes.
Good to know.
Yes.
ठीक है.
Like tongue you, hold your tongue you.
बस.